Huawei Mate 60 review. Announced on August 29, 2023. Dimensions are 161.4 by 76 by 8 mm. Weight 209 gram. Build: glass front, metal frame, glass back. SIM: hybrid dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. Resistant: IP68 dust and water resistant. Display: LTPO OLED, 120 Hz. Size: 6.69 inches. Resolution: 1212 by 2616 pixels. OS: harmonyos 4.0. Chipset: Kirin 9000S. CPU: octa-core. GPU: Malun 910. Memory: 256GB, 512GB and 1TB with 12GB RAM. Camera: triple with 50MP, 12MP and 12MP. Selfie camera: 13MP. Sound with stereo speakers. Battery: 4750 mAh. Price: €750, varies. Follow and subscribe for more.